Welcome to Project Exhibition version 3.0. The theme of the project exhibition are agriculture, fashion, security, delivery service, health and education. 1,000+ footfalls. Introducing Team Dynamic Duo. Meet Team 360 Vision with Project. Number plate detection. Presenting you Team Blockchain with Project. Fake product identification. Team Crimson with Project. Blood Bank Managing System. Presenting Team OP with Project Home Automation. Meet Team We Beginners with Project Agrotech. And finally, Team Smart Discoveries with Project Pocket.